Hello, this is Comic Show. I will show you a pretending joke of the ceiling fan. You turn it off. You stop it. Now we're gonna get Cookie Monster. There we go. We aim to ready to get Cookie Monster, which is what the for. We're gonna get put it up in the fan. There we go. We got Cookie Monster. Hey! Well, he's ready to get up in the fan. I'm gonna turn the low speed as a pretending trick. Oh, it fell off. I'm putting it up in the normal place. He can fall off. Put the camera down. Oops, he fell off again. Oops. No. You only need to use. Oh, I'm with the bad rule. This Cookie Monster won't come up. There we go. Let's turn to low speed. Here we go. He's flying on the ceiling fan. Catch him? Ugh. Guess I can't go in the glass and stuff. He's a hackish person. So, put your fan back on high and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.